So picture this, ladies and gentlemen, your vacation is just starting. You just got off the Magical Express from MCO and you are here at the Magic Kingdom. It's about midday and you're looking to do some attractions. The only problem is they're all really long wait times. So you consider pulling out your phone and shelling out the money for Genie Plus. So now the problem is, what is available to do midday at the Magic Kingdom using Genie Plus? Well, that is exactly what we are here to find out today. We just got to the park at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the park closes at 10. We're gonna see exactly what we can get done with just purchasing Genie Plus in the middle of the afternoon at the Magic Kingdom. So I hope you guys are excited. Let's head on inside, see how much fun we can have. And take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. The Magic Kingdom is all decked out in its Christmas decorations. I'm very excited. I love the Magic Kingdom at Christmas time. So one thing that I want to point out is that I did purchase Genie Plus earlier today at about 1 o'clock, and at that time I made my first Lightning Lane reservation for the Haunted Mansion. That was at about 5:30. So we decided to leave the house at about 2 o'clock and make our way over here. At 3 o'clock we were able to make our second Lightning Lane, which we made for Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin at 5:40. So now here's the real question. Now that we have 2 Lightning Lanes stacked for 5:30 and 5:40, do we have the ability to make another Lightning Lane once we use one of those 2, or do we have to wait until we use both of them? We're gonna test that. So in order to pass the time, we are gonna head on into Mickey's PhilharMagic. Since the last time we were here, it came back up from refurbishment and it has added a brand new Coco scene. So let's go ahead and head on inside. So since we are waiting in line for PhilharMagic and we have a little bit of time, let's take a look at some of the Lightning Lane availability at 4:42 in the afternoon. So starting off, Astro Orbiter, no Lightning Lane. Barnstormer with a 6:50 Lightning Lane return time. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is out of Lightning Lanes currently. We have our Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin at 5:30, but you can get another one for 7:20 if you so desire. Scrolling on down, Dumbo with a Lightning Lane of 6:15. Haunted Mansion, 9:15. You can see some of the more popular attractions. Small World at 6:45. Jungle Cruise is currently out of Lightning Lanes for the day. For Mad Tea Party, you have a 5:30 Lightning Lane that's available right now, with Magic Carpets being at 7. Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh is at 8:05 return time for the Lightning Lane, with PhilharMagic being a 4:45. Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, 5:20 Lightning Lane return time, with Peter Pan's Flight at 100-minute wait, currently out of Lightning Lane reservations for the day. Pirates of the Caribbean has an 8:20 return time for a Lightning Lane, and I do believe we have some more down here. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, no more individual Lightning Lanes. These are the paid ones for about $15. Space Mountain has a return time for Lightning Lanes at 6:20. This is another individual Lightning Lane that can be purchased for $9 if you so desire, but it looks like the attraction is currently down right now, so that's unfortunate. Splash Mountain is also out of Lightning Lanes with a 55-minute wait. Tomorrowland Speedway has a 6:40 return time for Lightning Lanes, and then Little Mermaid Undersea Adventure is at a 6:20 return time for Lightning Lanes. So it's been a little bit since I've done Mickey's PhilharMagic, and I gotta say, I was very impressed. I love the Coco scene. Un Poco Loco is a very good song from the movie, so I very much so appreciated that representation. And they updated all the projectors, and it looks like they redid all of the previous animation. So it was really cool and definitely worth checking out one more time if you haven't done it in a hot minute. Woo-wee, 45-minute wait for Winnie the Pooh. Good Lord. Wait a minute, hold up. A Christmas cookie sundae over here at Anti-Gravity's. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes, let's go try that. Okay, so here's a look at the Christmas cookie sundae, and we even had a magic moment. They gave us 2 for the price of 1, so Coda gets 1 too now. I mean, not that I wasn't gonna share, but still, I'll take it. Okay, so we just sat down and we had our, what was it, cookie sundae? It was a Christmas cookie sundae, that's what it was. And it was okay. It was okay. I was expecting it to be a little bit more tasty, but I mean, it did taste like a sugar cookie, but to be honest, I still feel like I would go for a vanilla next time, you know? I am very basic. I am very basic, but I don't know. It was good. It was good. It's worth having once, but I probably wouldn't get it again. I'd just go for vanilla next time. Alrighty, first lightning lane of the day, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. We are bypassing a 45-minute line. No! I don't like you. This is why we need separate rockets. Yeah, Coda and I need separate rockets next time. We're way too competitive at that. All right, now that we have finished Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin, which was our first lightning lane, let's see if we can make a reservation for another or if we have to go on Haunted Mansion first. So let's see what is the next available. It is currently 5:44 right now. Let's see if there's something available for sometime close to 6 o'clock. There's a 650 for Mad Tea Party, but we're not really wanting to ride that right now. Winnie the Pooh has no more fast passes available. 910 for Philhar Magic. A 650 for Monsters Inc. Oh dear. It's looking pretty scarce, guys. Looking pretty scarce. You can buy one for 7 o'clock at Space Mountain, but other than that, oh dear. It's really slim pickings. Really none of the rides that anyone really wants to ride are what's available right now. And the park closes at 10, mind you. So, oh dear. This is not looking too good, guys. Let's go ahead and do Speedway. Let's go ahead and do Speedway. Go ahead and add Coda on there. Confirm. Continue. And, alright, 7:45. So our next lightning lane is for Haunted Mansion, but it looks like we have a couple switchbacks to go through in order to even use our lightning lane. So, coming up over here, switching back, going back this way, and going back over there. That's very interesting. I've never seen this before. This is how you know the parks are very crowded. Okay, so we're inside Columbia Harbor House having some food, and here is a final look at the tip board for the day. It's currently 6:40, and let's see what is available. I'm just going to scroll on through. No lightning lane for Big Thunder. There's one for Buzz Lightyear, but we already rode that. We have Dumbo with a lightning lane. No more Haunted Mansion. Small World with a lightning lane. There's Jungle Cruise with no more. Mad Tea Party. So you can see, for later on in the evening, it's very slim pickings. Mostly the attractions that no one else really wants to ride, either that or they're not really worth a lightning lane. So yeah, and the park closes at 10, just to remind you guys. And we do have our Speedway lightning lane for later on in the evening as well. So what we're expecting to happen is after the fireworks are done, we still have about 2 hours left before the park closes then. So we're hoping that a lot of the wait times will start to die down, and in those last 2 hours is when we're really hoping to get a lot more rides in. While we're waiting for the fireworks to start, doesn't hurt to get a quick ride on Pirates. Only a 15-minute wait. I know. Put down, you lily-livered lover!
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones.
So we just got off of Pirates of the Caribbean. Coda had to go to the bathroom, and then the announcement came on that the fireworks were 10 minutes away, and they should be right about here, if I recall correctly. So I think we're just gonna chill out over here for a little bit, watch the fireworks, and then enjoy the rest of our night. So once again, guys, in case you were curious, we just got out of Pirates of the Caribbean, and this was our viewing area. We just kind of parked ourselves right here on the curb on this little bench over here, and we had no crowds around us to watch the fireworks. So if fireworks really aren't your thing, but you still kind of want to see them and still kind of want to enjoy them, come right outside of Pirates of the Caribbean. They still pump the music in over here, and you have no crowds, and we had a phenomenal view of all the fireworks. Now that the fireworks are done, let's head on over to Big Thunder Mountain. We just checked the app, and it is a 20-minute wait. Oh, well, it looks like a lot of other folks have the same idea we did. We'll go ahead and see how long this takes. We're getting in line now, and it is 8:21. All right, time check. It is currently 8:29. We got in line at 8:21, less than 10 minutes, and we're already here waiting to get on. Jesus, the back is so much more intense. Jesus. The end result of fireworks, everyone tries to redeem their lightning lanes all at once. So just be prepared for that. If you have a lightning lane for some time during the fireworks and you're waiting until after to do it, you're going to experience a little bit of a backup. Well, I was hoping to get a ride on Splash Mountain, but unfortunately, it is down. The lagoon is drained. Well, I should say the flume is drained, and all the emergency lights are on. So it doesn't look like we're going to get a chance to ride tonight. You know, Little Mermaid isn't the most popular ride in the park, but you know what? It's only a 5-minute wait, and I enjoy it, so why not?
Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel's voice.
Yes, you gonna be a big page. Under the sea, she died to try to wanna kiss the girl.
It says it's a 40-minute wait, but I don't believe it for a second. And just so you guys are aware of the time, it is 9:08. You know, we're supposed to keep our masks on while indoors for our safety, but yet things like this are still available for us to use. I don't understand.
He'll never reach that grave.
Mommy! Mommy! Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo!
You'll find out they love it because they love so love the thing you rise. It's heavy.
Current time is 9:30 and I think we have time for just one more ride. Current wait, 80 minutes. This'll do it for us tonight. Take a look at this view down Main Street, guys. We just walked out from underneath the castle and it is gorgeous. I love all the Christmas lights. Definitely one of my favorite times of year over here at the Magic Kingdom. You can see we have all the projectors on us right now as the castle is currently lit up for Christmas. And just bear in mind, guys, throughout the night during the holiday season, the castle projections will change periodically, so keep your eyes open. All right, guys, well, that is gonna do it from us here at the Magic Kingdom. As you guys can see, if you guys are waiting until the middle of the day to purchase Genie Plus, it's not exactly worth it. We barely got any use out of it tonight, and even though we did purchase it at 1 o'clock, we tried to stack up for later on in the day. It did not work out in our favor. So if you're coming to the Magic Kingdom, and even if you're getting off the plane the same day and coming straight to a park, you can purchase Genie Plus from anywhere you are, as long as you have a park pass reservation. If there is any doubt in your mind that you are wanting to use Genie Plus that day that you land at MCO and you're coming to the parks, go ahead and get it in the morning for everybody in your family and start stacking those lightning lanes, because they will work out in your favor as the night progresses after every 2 hours. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything that you saw in today's video down in the comments section below. If you guys are wanting to see more Genie Plus videos like this in the future, then please let me know down in the comment section below, and please be sure to leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new around here, and ring that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.